Welcome to the Carefree Kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking these delicious Nobake peanut butter cornflake cookies. I have a special guest with me.
Ella.
Ella is my daughter and she is
6 years old.
6 years old. And today we are going to be making some peanut butter cornflake cookies. These are a favorite and we've been making them in our family for a long time. So we want to share this recipe with you. If you love cooking and you're new to the Carefree Kitchen, there's a link with the peanut butter cornflake cookies down there. You can click on that and it will take you right to the recipe. So go ahead and print that off and then come back to the video and we'll show you how to make these peanut butter cornflake cookies. Okay, so Ella is going to be my helper today. I'm just going to be here to help her a little bit. She's just learning to cook and this is a great recipe to get her started. Are you ready, Ella?
Yeah! Let's get cookies!
So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use a large non-stick skillet. And you can use a regular skillet, but the non-stick will help the cookies so that they don't scorch, and also it's a lot easier to clean up. Okay, so we're going to use a stovetop cooker just because it's easier in filming. We would usually use a stovetop, but we're going to use this today. Okay, so we just have our non-stick pan on the cooker, and Ella's going to unwrap a cube of butter. This is a ½ cup of butter. And if you're following along with the instructions, we'll just start right from the beginning and follow the recipe all the way through.
So slippery.
It is slippery. Alrighty, here's a spoon. We're gonna just melt the butter. And on your stove, you're gonna wanna turn this on like a medium heat so it doesn't boil too fast and brown the butter. Stir it until almost all the butter is melted. Are you good, Ella?
Yeah.
Okay, we have all of our ingredients already laid out. We have our sugar, Karo Syrup, peanut butter, marshmallows, and cornflakes. So we're done with the butter. Ella, do you want to pour the sugar in? Just use both hands so you don't drop the jar. There we go. All right, pour the sugar in. Good job. Let's mix that up. Mix it all in with that sugar. Okay, and I'll use your spoon and kind of scrape it out there, okay? There we go. Perfect. Okay, now stir it up. Ooh, it's looking good. You're gonna wanna stir that until it comes to a rapid boil. This is what a rapid boil looks like. And you wanna boil it like this for 1 minute so that it's soft and chewy, but it also holds its shape. Okay, the next thing we're gonna add is the peanut butter. This is 1/2 cup of peanut butter. You ready? How about I'll hold it and you can scrape it out with a spoon. Good job. All right, now stir that all in. This will bring your cookie mixture out of the boil, but that's okay. Just keep on mixing.
It looks so pretty with all the swirlies.
It sure does. Okay, it's ready for the marshmallows. Ella, do you want to add those? Ooh, look at all those delicious marshmallows. Okay, stir it up. The hot sugar mixture, sugar and peanut butter mixture will melt the marshmallows, and you want the marshmallows to be nice and ooey and gooey, okay? Stir all around the edges and through the inside too. Okay, good job. And just before all of the marshmallows melt, we want to add the cornflakes. You keep stirring and I'll pour in the cornflakes.
That makes it a lot harder.
Okay, and if you go around the edges of the bowl and just fold it over just like that. You'll get the cornflakes in there without crunching them up in pieces. Oh, that looks so delicious. Good job, Ella. Okay, and you can turn your heat off now because you don't have anything else you need to melt. We're gonna take the pot off the stove, so be sure to have your mom and dad help you with this part because it's kind of hot. Now we're going to put them on a baking sheet, and we're just going to use like a non-stick cooking spray here. She's gonna go ahead and put it on. You wanna put it back about 8 to 10 inches and go all over the pan. Nice. This will keep your cookies from sticking. Now it's time to put them on the cookie sheet. We're almost done. Okay, so we're going to put, and if you just use the back of the spoon, you don't want to touch that mixture because the cookies are really hot right now. But we'll just put them in little piles on the baking sheet, okay? And these are sometimes called haystack cookies. We usually just call them cornflake cookies, but you can call them whatever you want to call them. Make a nice pile with the cookie. Oh, these look so delicious. We'll do it as teamwork. And if you're a little bit older and maybe have a little bit of experience in the kitchen, you can probably do this all by yourself. Just be sure to be really careful with the stove and the hot cookie.
Yep.
There are cornflake cookies. Don't they look so delicious?
Yeah.
So you're gonna wanna let these sit for about 5 minutes until they cool, until you can pick them up with your hand. Right now they're still just a little bit hot, so we don't wanna get burned, okay? So let them sit for 5 minutes, and then we'll come back and taste them. All right, Ella, do you think it's cool enough?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it. You try that one, I'll try this one. Oh, they're so ooey and gooey. Okay, let's try it.
3, 2, 1.
Mmm! Cheers. All right, well, here's our peanut butter cornflake cookies. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and thank you so much to Ella for being my guest today. And be sure to subscribe down below if you want to see more videos, and also check that link in the description box below to find the recipes for these delicious peanut butter cornflake cookies. Have a great day.